Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Zen Dogs Fulton Street 11 a.m. live stream, the first of two today. We've got our favorites here. We got Lucas, we got Clark, we got Olin, the all-star handlers, and of course, the all-star dogs. A lot of activity today. Weather's dropped off a few degrees. A lot more movement. Dogs are feeling good. Let's take you through the lineup. Back with us after a couple-week break, it's one of our new guys, Chance, the Malamute. Hey, Chance. As you know, here at Zen Dogs, we're fans of Malamutes, so we welcome with open arms and open paws. There's Vinny, German Shepherd. We got Charlie, also a Shepherd. A lot of Sheps here. There's Chloe. There's a Hound, Solo.
I'm Solo.
Max is here, born with us for a bit, extended stay. The Wheaton Terrier. Of course, we've got our Basset Hound, Leonard, and of his sister Olivia, which is, she's over there. Hey, Olivia!
Olivia!
Olivia! Yeah!
Yeehaw!
Oh, yeah. We got Louie and Vinny here, ribbing it up. Making her second live stream debut. It's Reese the Muppet.
Reese!
Week 2 of training. Hey, Reese.
What's up, girl? She fit right in.
Fit right in, making friends. Love her coloring.
Yes. Pretty cool. Turn a doodle.
Pretty cool Muppet. We got some Zen Dog staples here.
Come on,
Maddie and Kona. We got Spinones here. We got Mickey. We got Blondie. We got Monty right there. The youngest of the three. There's Javi Doodle. Logan. What's up, Logs? Oh, yeah. There's Ernie. Hey, Ernie. There's another Louie. Hey, Louie. Louie.
Louie OG.
There's our guy, Jackson.
What's up, Jackson?
You can tell it's Jackson because he's got one glove.
Oh, Leroy and Boomer.
We got Leroy and Boom. Oh, yeah, Leroy.
I think this is the first time I've seen him
Play.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right,
Boomer Shep is a newbie here training with us.
Come a long way.
Leroy is our versatile athlete. He's a stand-up paddleboarder. He herds sheep. This guy can do it all. What's going down at the watering hole here? We got Kimbo and Monty taking some summer gulps. Hey, Kimbo. Kimbo was a foster dog with us. Here at Zen Dogs, we work with IAMRA, which is the Malamute Rescue Foundation. We foster dogs here. And Kimbo was picked up by one of our longtime clients. Now Kimbo is the brother of Kona, who we just saw a little bit ago.
Yeah.
There's Kiara. Hi, Kiara. We call her Chi Chi around here. Very sweet husky. We got Hudson here. Hudson loves to patrol these spools. He's like a little pinball wizard here, bouncing off the spools. We got some sunbathers here. There's Louise. We got Scout Hound. We got Frankie. Our lovely ladies. There's Pike.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Our Brindle boy. There's Boomer.
Come on, Boom.
Blondie. Oh, there's Birdie Girl. Birdie found a nice little corner. Little shade, little sun. Just the right amount. What a wonderful day. Dog days of summer here. Feeling a little like fall.
Yeah.
There's Rosie Terrier. Hey, Rosie. Rosita. And of course, Margot. What's up, Margot? Hey, lady. Oh, yeah.
What is bird? Chance. Come on, bud. Oh, good boy.
There's Louie Doodle. Louie and
Our
Vinny.
best friend, Louie.
Besties, yeah.
It's day one.
Day one.
Yeah.
Wow.
Really funny.
Gotta love your forever friends when you meet them. That's how I feel about Lucas. First day I met Lucas. Forever friends.
Give me a hug, Danny.
A lot of love on this live stream. There's Bowie Boy. Hey, Bowie. There's Olive. My brother Chuck's taking a little snooze there. They're boarding with us. Portuguese water dog, just like Barack Obama has.
Next Tuesday, you'll see them with their haircuts.
Oh yeah, getting a little grooming with us, which is a service we offer. If you're ever interested in getting your dog a bath, nails, or even a nice fresh cut, our groomer Kayla knows what to do. Oh, look at it, it's Rufus. Breakdancing for us a little bit. This is the freeze position. Very popular. Livia's trying it too. Oh yeah. Getting some belly tans. There's the wonderful Hank. Dad's pride and joy. Never far away. There's Lola, the panther. Oh, just found something interesting. We got Officer Knuckles here reporting for duty. Oh, we got some fancy sunbathers here. It's Ginger, the tiny one, the little chihuahua. And Winnie. Hey, Winnie. Oh, wow. Looks like Leroy wanted a little more camera time.
There's Leroy's best friend, Monty.
Monty and Leroy, wow.
Yeah, day one friend.
Day one friends. A lot of day one friends here. Oh, there's Blondie.
Monty's such a cute puppy.
Monty was a cute puppy. My, how time flies. That was just a little bit ago. Oh, yeah. Leroy, always great at those windmill spins. Jackson feeling a little Action Jackson, you should call him. We haven't even gotten to the pool action here. We got Hotch. Hey, Hotch. Nice to see you. Denver in the pool. Cross that off your bingo list. You can find her in the pool on all live streams we've done. Hey, there's Julian. Nice little spool spot. Hank again. Never far away.
Come on, buddy. Come on, Dan. Come on.
There's Hudson. Oh, exploring some basement area. It's nice and cool down there. Back to the spools. Lots of action.
Oh yeah.
Lots of Olivia laying down here.
She's so
Sprawled
tired.
out.
It's like taking 3 steps and laying down.
Hey, there's Bubba. Hey, Bubba. Oh. Who's this? Who's this? Hi, Kimby. Kimby loves to go in between the legs there. Always a sneak
Almost
surprise,
like
too.
The summer car wash.
There's Benchy. Finn the French.
Itchy. Hi, Knuckles. Hi, Kimmy. Such a
Kimbo.
ham.
Big hams. We got a lot of hams
About
here.
Kimbo. It's always about Kimbo.
Oh, he's like, no, it's not. Oh, Maddie playing with Vinny and Giro.
Giro, what are you doing?
Giro going for the cheap shots. Monty and Vinny strolling around. There's our boy Hudson, enjoying his spool time. Loves this little area. Loves to check out all the action from the shade. Our sunbathers. Oh yeah. Happy Chance. Happy Chi-Chi. Logan giving a tail wag. Nice day here. We thank you for joining us. Oh, there's Chuck. What up, Chuck? Denver's on the move. Clark, again, enjoying 3 live streams this week. Oh, wow. Still better than 1. This has been the first of 2 live streams at Fulton Street we do every Tuesday. This one 11 a.m. And then, of course, we do one at 2 p.m. And that's a whole another batch of dogs. So if you didn't see a dog that you were looking for on this live stream, check back with us at 2 p.m. for the next batch of fun pupperinos. Oh, we got a little follow the leader action going here. And of course, we do our Logan Square live stream every Wednesday at 10:30. So check in tomorrow if you're a Logan Square Zen Dogs fan. Thanks again for everyone joining us. We hope you have a nice lunch. Nice day here, Tuesday. And we'll see you back at 2 p.m.
Bye.
Salutations.